I'm going to show you how to add a post or a page. They both work the same. It just depends on how you want to use the page, whether it's going to be news or it's going to be a static page that you want showing on your website all the time. But they work both the same. So just as an example, I'm going to show you how to add a post. So under post, add new. If it was going to be a page, you see pages down here and you would just add new, but they look the same once you're in edit. Now I'm on the new post. I want to put the title here. New post about adding new posts. Whatever you want as your title. Here is where all your text is going to go. I'm just going to put a little bit of something just so you can see. And I want to add a picture. Here's where you add images, video, although I tend to use an embed code from YouTube versus doing it that way. Audio clip or media. I use these two the most. Add a picture. I can, if I already have it uploaded into my photo library, I could go there and I could find one and use that. Or I can upload one from my computer. I'm going to do that. Show you how to do that. Just going to bring up the file manager. I'm just going to select a picture and upload. Then a screen's going to pop up that has some options. You want to put the alt text in here. Good place to put some keywords and kind of describe what your picture is. And here you can decide how you want the picture to be shown around all this text. Do you want the text wrapping around it? It's photo centered, photo to the right. I like to the right. And I'm going to do full size, not the thumbnail, and insert into post. Now I'm going to preview. It'll open up in a new tab so I can look at it. See my title. My picture is floated to the right. Since I'm using sexy bookmarks, if I had a really short, you wouldn't really have, I don't think, a post or a page that's this short. It would push it down, but you can always add in these are line breaks. And I'm just going to put a bunch in. That'll push that social media sharing plugin farther down on the page, make it look a little better. There you go. Now I can also add a file if I wanted a file that they could download. I want to go to media. It can be a PDF, it can be an Excel spreadsheet, whatever file you want to add on there. I'll put this Word document in here just to show. Upload. Then it's going to pop up a screen that has options just like the photo did. And I'm going, you want to keep this link in here because that's what's going to link it to where the file is. Insert into post. Now save it, and I'm going to preview it again. Now we see it here. If I click on it, it would give me the option to open the file. If it was a PDF, it would open up into another page. If you want it, let's just say this was a PDF file. Behind the URL, I would want to put target equals underscore blank. And that tells it to open in a new window. It won't do anything really for a document, but a Word document. But if it was a PDF, then when you clicked on the PDF link, it would open it up into a new tab, a new window, so you could see the PDF file. And after I'm done with my post, usually I copy my title and use that as a starting point for the meta tag title. This is like the most important thing for you to fill out because this helps you with search engine rankings. I might change it and put some keywords. Post about adding new posts in WordPress using Genesis. Tutorial video on how to This is what, when you do search engines and you're searching for something, say on Google, and you see the description underneath, whatever you put here is what you're going to see under there. And fill up the meta tags for keywords. Not as important, but I still fill them out anyway. Just put a couple so you see. You separate them by commas. Then I'm going to set category. Don't ever use uncategorized. I actually usually, after I have some categories set up, I usually will go into the categories, which is up at the top. You see categories. I could go there and I could actually delete out that category so that I don't accidentally use it and set something else as the default. But since, do I have training? I do have training. I could have added a new category here, but I do have training, so I'm going to say that is my category. I'm also going to use post tags. I'm going to start training, but I added one. Tutorial. And set featured image. If you had multiple images, you'd want to pick which one you want to use as the featured image. If I wanted to use a completely different image as the, and when I'm talking about a featured image, when your blog posts show on your front page and it has the teeny little square picture next to it, which makes it look a lot nicer, this is what you're telling it what picture to use for that. You could pick a completely different picture and upload it just like you did the other thing, but I'm going to go with what I already have. Gallery are the pictures that are actually you've got into this post already. Library would have everything, all the pictures you've ever uploaded. I'm going to tell it to use this, so I just click use as featured image. I see it pop up over there. I can close the box, and then I'm ready to publish. And it's that easy.